Welcome to our video on resolving circular imports in Python. If you're watching this, chances are you've encountered the frustrating error message, ImportError circular import, at some point in your programming journey. Circular imports can be a real pain, especially when working on large projects with complex dependencies. In this video, we'll explore what circular imports are, why they happen, and most importantly, how to solve them. We'll break down the concepts into simple terms, using examples and analogies to help you understand the material better. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid grasp on how to tackle those pesky circular imports. So, what are circular imports in Python? An import statement is used to load modules or packages into your current script. However, when two or more modules depend on each other, it creates a circular dependency. This means that module A imports something from module B, which in turn imports something from module A. Imagine you're at a party and you want to get some food. You ask someone where the snacks are, but they tell you to go talk to someone else who's standing across the room. When you approach that person, they send you back to the first person, saying, "Oh, they know where the snacks are." This is essentially what happens in a circular import. Python gets stuck in an infinite loop of import. Now, let's dive into why this happens. There are several reasons. How? Tight coupling. When modules are too closely connected, it can create circular dependencies. Over-engineering sometimes. We might over-design our code, leading to unnecessary dependencies. Legacy code, inherited code, or third-party libraries can also introduce circular imports. So, how do we solve this? Here are some strategies. Refactor your code. Take a closer look at your module structure and refactor it to reduce coupling. Use dependency injection. Instead of hard-coding dependencies, use a framework or library that allows for loose coupling. Merge modules. If two modules are tightly coupled, consider merging them into one. Let's take an example. Suppose we have two modules, user pi and utils pi. The user pi module imports a function from utils pi, which in turn imports the user class from user pi. To resolve this circular import, we could refactor our code to remove the dependency between these two modules. We might create a new module, say authPy, that handles user authentication and uses the functions from utils pi without importing anything from user p. This breaks the circular dependency chain. Circular imports happen when two or more modules depend on each other. Reasons for circular imports include tight coupling, over-engineering, and legacy code. Strategies to solve circular imports include refactoring your code, using dependency injection, and merging modules. Circular imports can be frustrating, but with a solid understanding of the concepts and strategies outlined in this video, you'll be well equipped to tackle these issues. If you have any questions or would like further clarification on any of the points discussed, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if it helped you understand circular imports better. And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more content on programming and software development. See you in the next video.